Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Siti Nur Aziza and here I will review a contract. Reviewing a contract, on this occasion we will review a work contract between William Smith and the Illinois American Company, which was signed on March 5, 2019. This contract clearly states that this is an employment contract, indicating the purpose and nature of this agreement. This contract involves two parties, namely the employer and the employee, who will bind themselves to this agreement. This contract has a clear start date, namely March 5, 2019, which will determine when this agreement will become effective. The contents of this contract include provisions related to the rights and obligations of both parties, such as salary, benefit, leave, and other matters that need to be agreed upon in an employment relationship. Now, after understanding the background and general structure of this contract, let's further review the specific provision that both parties need to pay attention to. Duties and responsibilities. In this section, the duties and responsibilities of employers are explained. The contract provides a detailed list of specific duties and responsibilities that must be carried out by the employee. Apart from that, it is also stated that the employer position is as marketing manager. Compensation and benefits. In this section, the information listed include the employer monthly salary is $2,500, which will be paid to its amount normally on the 1st and 15th. Apart from that, employers are also entitled to the same benefit as other employees in similar position, such as health insurance, pension, sick leave, and wedding leave. Confidentiality and unitary disclosure. This section explains the confidentiality provision. Employers can prevent employees from divulging confidential company information and have the right to take action if employees make disclosure without permission. Employers are also required to maintain the confidentiality of all company information, even after no longer working there. Remedies amendment of agreement. Next, we will discuss the provision related to repair and termination of the contract. In this section, it is explained that if an employer violates confidentiality provision by disclosing information without permission, the employer has the right to take steps to terminate the employment relationship. Employers can also take other actions such as asking for compensation to the violation committed by employers. Not only that, any change made to this contract must be agreed is written by both parties, both employers and employer. This is an important provision that must be addressed to if there are things that need to be adjusted in the contract later. Termination of agreement. Next, we will look at the provision regarding contract termination. This employment contract can be terminated for various reasons, such as termination of employment by the employer, employer resignation, or other reasons that meet the termination requirements according to the contract. Termination may also occur if there is a serious breach or other reasons deemed eligible to terminate this agreement. Notice, complaints, and returns of employer property. Notice, complaints, and return of employer property. Finally, there are several things regarding notification, complaints, and property returns that need to be considered. Any required written notification must be sent to the specific address. Employers are also required to comply with all company regulations and policies. and upon termination of the contract, the employer must return all company property that is still in his control.